Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the sensitivity settings on the Resident Evil 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Resident Evil 2 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu, from which you can continue playing from where you left off or start a new game right away. Now you can find the options menu right within the home page, or if you are in the middle of your gameplay, just tap on the escape button within your keyboard. This will now take you into the pause menu. Now, if you wish to change the sensitivity settings for your mouse or your gamepad, go ahead and click on options. Within the options menu, just click on camera, and now you will see the controller as well as mouse sensitivity options. If you are using a controller, then you can switch the sensitivity for both the normal gameplay as well as while aiming your weapon. If you are using your mouse and keyboard, then you can do the same by swiping the sliders to the left or right in order to increase or decrease your sensitivity for your mouse. Do the same for both your normal gameplay as well as while aiming down your weapon. And after changing your settings, you can go back within your game and continue playing from where you left off, and you will now notice that the sensitivity settings have been applied to your game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your sensitivity settings on the Resident Evil 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.